Good morning, everybody. Holistic Travel Guy here. I'm on Ratchadamnoen Rd in Chiang Mai, Thailand, right in front of the Blue Noodle Cafe. This is a very popular cafe and very good prices. As you can see, the local crowd is abundant here. Everybody seems to like this place. I'm going to put a link in the description below of the info for this restaurant. The prices for a bowl of noodles with meat in it is between 40 baht to 80 baht, which is about $1.25 to $2.50. Sorry I didn't get a chance to eat there. Didn't have much time this day. I was walking down. This is a walking tour of Ratchadamnoen Rd. It's in the old city in Thailand. And just quick, this 40 baht per kilogram laundry service, that is by far the cheapest I've seen it in Thailand. I paid 100 baht per kilogram in Bangkok, which is about $3. And so 40 baht is about $1.25 per kilogram. Here is a motorcycle repair shop. I'm just going to do a brief description using this new app I just downloaded called CapCut. I'm doing my first voiceover ever, and the reason I'm have to do this voiceover is because the audio on my Acaso action camera just stopped working after about 3 months of usage. So I'm going to be voiceovering a few of my videos that I took in Thailand that no audio came out. And I'm only going to talk for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to play music for the rest of this video and just let you roam around the streets of Chiang Mai. So I just wanted to cover a couple things. That money exchange that we just passed just there is not a good place to exchange money. Oh, by the way, yes, those are two boogers on top of my head. I was walking around most of the day with those on my head. I found them a few hours later. Nobody seemed to notice them or say anything about them, so c'est la vie. So yeah, that money exchange is not where you want to exchange your money from dollars to Thai baht. You want to go to one of the main banks, and even an ATM will give you a fair exchange rate if you're at a bank. But those money exchange booths along the street are a terrible exchange rate, and you'll lose quite a bit of money doing your exchange there. Here's a bicycle for rent shop. It looks like a couple of folks ready to rent their bikes there, or maybe they just return their bikes. And not much else in the immediate area that I can talk about. So I'm going to just play some music from this point forward. Again, this is an experiment with not only a voiceover, but with inserting music halfway through a video. So hopefully it'll turn out well, and hopefully there's some value in this video, just roaming and exploring the streets of Chiang Mai. There's a tuk-tuk that you can hire for transportation. The tuk-tuks are a very quick way to get around town, but they're also at a premium. They're the more expensive ways to get around town. You can see these altars outside of most houses and businesses in Thailand. Most of the country is Buddhist, and these Buddhist altars are everywhere in front of many homes and businesses. As you wander around, you'll notice them everywhere. So yeah, that's it. Be sure to check out all my other videos of Chiang Mai, Thailand, and Bangkok, and even Hua Hin on my recent visit to Thailand this year. Here's another tuk-tuk here on the left. You can see the driver in the back seat waiting for his next customer. And yeah, that's about it for this part of town. Hopefully I can insert some music from this point on. We'll see you somewhere down the road in Chiang Mai, Thailand. See you soon.